I got a good feeling.
Here we go.
I got a
Good
good
feeling.
feeling. I got a good feeling.
Here we go.
Yeah,
5, 6, 7, 8.
a good feeling.
Let's learn got a good feeling. It's so fun and upbeat. Here we go. First 8. It's 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. First 8 is a skate and a skate, quarter, triple step, quarter step, and a coaster step with counts. First 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Second 8, we slide to the right, slide, touch left. We go a little bit diagonal now. We go diagonal and do a triple step and a walk, walk, and a mambo quarter turn. So triple step left, walk right, left, mambo, turn to the 9 o'clock wall. Good. The counts. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Third 8. We do a cross. So our left foot's free. Just did the mambo with our right. So left foot's free. We're going to cross and bend a little bit if you want. It's more fun. Bend, step right, hitch left, hitch, then touch out, then touch in. Good. So we just did our triple step, walk, walk, mambo step. Then we cross, step, in, touch, touch. Then we're going to turn over our left shoulder to a half turn, doing 2 quarter steps, step, step, and a left sailor step, sailor step. Okay, we just did our mambo with counts. No, one more time with words. Cross, step right, left, hitch, out, in, quarter, quarter, left, sailor step. Good. With counts. Star mambo. And we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Next 8. We do touch, touch with our right foot, touch forward and cross, touch side, and then a weave. Behind, side, cross. Then we touch with our left foot, touch out, then in, and then hip, hip, hip. So we just did our turn. Right foot's free. Touch, front, touch, side, weave. Left foot, touch, side, touch together. Then to do the hip, 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 we put our left foot out. Hip, hip, hip. Good. With counts. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Okay, from the top, all 32 with words and with our skates. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot skate, left foot skate, right triple step, quarter, left quarter, right quarter, and a coaster step, and a slide, touch, and a triple step, and a walk, walk, and a mambo step, and a cross, step, hitch out in, quarter, quarter, sailor step, touch right, touch, weave, left foot out, in, and hip, hip, hip. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Awesome, that's it. That's it.